Hello friends, welcome to my channel That Known Palette. Today I am here with an amazing hair care product from Forest Essentials. We all face hair fall at some point in our life, and this happens due to two major factors. One is health and the other one is climate, atmosphere, dust, pollution. This product is from Forest Essentials Intensive Hair Repair Mask. It is an amazing product. It is made of all the natural ingredients like nigella seeds, hibiscus flower extract, brahmi, rita, methi seed extract, etc. And this is beautifully packed in this container, as you can see, and it has a very nice and pleasant fragrance. It makes your hair so soft and frizz free, reduces hair fall, hair breakage, and gives a beautiful shine to the dull hair. So I got this pack of 200 gram, and I was about to actually order the next one from Amazon, is when I thought to make this video and share this product with you all. I will put the link of this product in the description box. You can check it out from there. The price varies a little bit in Amazon at times, so you can just check it and see if you can get it anywhere else in a better price. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.